8-year-old Portland girl found dead with bag over her face. Teacher killed, 7 others injured in St. Elizabeth crash. Brothers and cousins shot dead in Chisholm's Avenue, Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Portland police are awaiting the results of a post-mortem examination to ascertain the cause of death of an 8-year-old girl whose body was reportedly found with a plastic bag over her head at her home in the parish on Friday. The deceased is Venice Burke of West Baptist Avenue in the parish. Reports are that the child left for school on Friday afternoon and went home, where she was in the care and supervision of a close family member. Indications are that at a point, the child became noticeably absent and the relative went to locate her and found the child lying unresponsive in a pool of urine on the floor in a section of the house. She was also reportedly seen with the plastic bag over her face. The child was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. A primary school teacher is dead and 7 others, including 2 Americans, hospitalized in serious condition following a motor vehicle crash on the Fonthill Main Road in St. Elizabeth. The deceased is 31-year-old Daniela Burke, a teacher at the Savannah Lamar Primary School. It is reported that about 11 o'clock, Miss Burke was among passengers in a Toyota Wish traveling from Black River to White House when the vehicle collided head-on with a truck with 2 American visitors on board. The police stated that the American who was driving the truck failed to keep left and crashed into the loaded taxicab. Mrs. Blake died at the scene. 2 brothers and another man said to be their cousin were shot and killed at a house situated at 69 Chisholm Avenue in Kingston on Saturday. The victims have been identified as 27-year-old Alex Ricketts, 30-year-old Nava Ricketts, otherwise called Fata, and a 40-year-old delivery man, Ricardo Henry, otherwise called Rasta. Reports are that at about 1:15 a.m., a group of armed thugs entered the premises where the victims were staying. The criminals held the victims at gunpoint and then opened fire, hitting them several times. The attackers then left the location. The police were called and the brothers and their cousins were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. Sources report that the men were dressed as police officers.